Another morning. Nice day out today. Drywall. Make sure this works. Okay, just making sure. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back with Teardown, and don't get mad at me, just okay, this is a cool car. Don't get mad at me. You might see a lot of Teardown videos in the next, like, back-to-back, if I upload Teardown back-to-back. I really like playing this game, so, yeah, Teardown has been really fun, so I really hope you guys like it, and, yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Need coffee. If I turn off gas, I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. I really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing's Sword and Mom. Okay. Gordon Woo. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were stupid around a little bit. But it seems to have cooled off now, and we can finally start construction. I have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina, and the board says there's no space for a new dock. Could you use your demolition skills and remove one of the timeshare cabins? Removing. That's something I'm very good at. Let's get it. You think? You don't need to ask me to do that. Alright, what do you need me to destroy? What are the, that? Okay. Do I need to get anything else? Office safe. What is that? Warehouse safe. Fire alarm. Large fires will trigger the alarm. Okay. So, does that mean... Is there an alarm on these safes? Can I just grab them? It's in this house, right? No, it's not. Where is it? It's in that house. Wait a second. Spray can? I didn't even see this. I drew a little guy. A little stick guy. Alright, let's get... Oh, I forgot I can open things on fire. I can just do that. I like it. Decorative swordfish. Oh, I have to carry it? Do I just have to throw it into the water? Could I get it up high enough to get it out? No, I wouldn't have to get it up high enough. I can just break the whole one. We don't want it. You're telling me. Come on. Come on. Yes, okay, drag it. Do I have to throw it into the water? Because I can't really collect it. I do, okay. Well, why don't I get that optional one? It might just give me money. I mean, there's no alarm. Where is it? Right over there. In that little warehouse. Perfect, there's a boat here. Great. I'm just gonna drive this boat over here. Totally not gonna crash it. I'm gonna perfectly park it. Good parking job. Ah! That was hard. Ah! Wait, can I just... Give it out. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Is that like a ladder? Drive vehicle. There we go. Okay. Yo, that's a nice car. It has no wheels. Stupid car out of here. Okay. Let's get this other safe. How am I supposed to roll this? What if I do that? Oh yeah, that was good movement. Let's do that again. Oh man, I messed it up. Alright, it's fine. Just keep moving. Yeah. One step at a time. Ooh, a grab? A grab. Yes, yes, grab. Alright. Electric sander. Interesting. Come on, roll. Yes, got it. Alright. Now what do we have to do? We have to destroy that end part? Oh, I know exactly. Wait. I should run it over with one of these boats. Alright, let me go back over there. I can drive this boat. Wait. Please tell me this door opens. I don't want trouble. Good, okay. This is a good thumbnail too. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Got it. Parkour. Where do I get onto this tugboat? No. How do I get onto this tugboat? I have to be able to drive it, right? There's no way they have it here and don't let me drive it. I know exactly how to get on the tugboat. Hardcore parkour. It's not hardcore parkouring. How do I get up there? I want to drive this tugboat. I'm gonna figure out how to get up there. I know. I think I have an idea. Oh man! Whoa! Got it. W. Please tell me I can drive this. Oh. All right. Okay, I see the condos. So, do I want to drive through this bridge? No. Wait, it looks like it's parted. It is parted. I should be able to raise this. But how am I gonna get back on the boat? Yeah, I should definitely be able to raise this. Is this it? Yep, raise bridge. Can I make this jump? I can. Parkour. W. Coming through. Thank you. Alright, now time to absolutely demolish this building. Watch the vehicle condition in the bottom just go straight down. Is the boat gonna survive? Doesn't look like it. I might need to get out of here. Alrighty. Successful demolition. Now I can just drive this boat over here. Okay, I was literally about to say, like, maybe I can drive it and not destroy it for once. But nope. Alright. Did it. Okay, that was a fun mission. I love that tugboat. Why am I on top of the roof? What? This is such a weird spot. Let me go in for the roof. Huh? Okay. A shotgun? Oh, that kind of sucks. Hold on. A shotgun? Okay, that's better. Hold on. Wait. How much money do I have? That's not how I check. I might be able to upgrade. Sledge. No upgrades available. Shotgun. I can upgrade. I don't want to upgrade its rounds. I want to upgrade range and damage. I'll do it. We're making an investment. Alright. Now let's go back over to messages. Fantastic work at the marina. Looks like good work because they cleared and constructed permit for the new dock. Another thing just came out. This was classic car auction back earlier today. And one guy just kept overbidding me. Lawrence Lee Jr., that youngster who inherited the chemical plant a few years ago. Absolutely no interest in cars. He's just looking for ways to rotate his dirty money. It's a Gauss Cedo B50, the one they used in Seal the Deal 2 and Connell Wilson's personal Jacoby from Normandy. Lee is about to put those cars on a ship overseas any day now, and they'll be out of the country for good. If that's not criminal, I don't know what is. Can you help me acquire those 2 gems? I'll take good care of them. Okay, those 2 cars. Got it. Mission. Classic cars. Excuse me. Oh, do I have to load the cars into here? Oh, okay. So where are they? Primary target. Car and wareshed. Car and... wait, there's one on the tugboat? Okay. I would like to go through here, please. I'm gonna just go ahead and raise this just in case. How do I open this? It's locked. It has to be openable. Like, there's no way this doesn't open. Oh, it does open. Man, I wanted to destroy it. Well, I guess I can just... What? Oh, man. Okay, where do I go? Over to the tugboat, I guess? Nope, don't let me in. I don't want to be in here. This is not what I was looking for. Oh, over here. Let me in. Good. Let me out. Oh, man. That would have been cool. Aha! We meet again. If I drive this, that thing is the alarm box. Okay. So I have to drive this. I have to plan a heist here. Okay. So, this will be the last one I get. Because I am going to try and park this. Turn it a little more. This is a time where it's good to crash. Make a ramp up. Alright, I'm gonna quick save here. Now I'm gonna make sure this works. Okay, and it just does it like that. Okay, that's really good to know. Alright. Quick load. Okay. Now, that's gonna be the last one I get. Let's map out the other area. The car in warehouse. Okay, there's an optional over there too. Where's this other optional? All the way over there? Maybe I can grab that, jump out in the boat, boat over here, grab the optional, get the car, drive the car over here, drive it in there, grab that car, get it in there. All right. Let's first map out this side. Hold on. I will map out this. This might just be slow. Well, no, I don't think it is. It's just slower. It just feels slow because it's a car. It's a slow piece. Open, please. Thank you. Or that didn't put a single dent in this car. Whoa, I'm swerving. Okay, I got control. Excuse me. Alright. This car, nope, it still doesn't have wheels. Oh, wait, I can drive this. What is it stuck on? I need my... Bro, what is this? You've got to be kidding me. There! Come on. Get it through. That was a really bad spot to park that thing. Get this thing. Why do I keep getting this thing stuck? Oh, there we go. Whoa, this thing picks up speed fast. I think it has good brakes. Look at this. Alright. Oh wait, no, not that way. Oh wait, no, not that way. I don't know how to drive. Ah! Lower. Feather. 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 Good. Alright. So now, let's look at these options. What happened here? Did I drive into... Well... That's not good. I guess I just have to swim over. But I can find a way up. What is that? Is that a vehicle? It is. $160! Rich! Alright. Now. Over there. Here. But I like driving cars, especially because when I'm done with them, I can crash into the building. How did I end up on top of the building though? Like, the optional isn't here. Okay. Those two cars are the needs. So pick up. I can grab it, jump, get in this boat, go over there, This boat is slow. That looks like a speedboat. I'm gonna get that. I could get out and then jump. Oh my gosh, yes, I have to do that. Then don't mind this. Run up here. Oh, it's not in here. Into here. Grab. Jump out. I need to prep a car here. Oh man, that was almost a really good parking job. It's fine. So first, I want to test this one. Yeah, this boat is much faster. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Much faster also means much harder to control. Don't run into it. It goes under. Okay. Okay. Do we have that prepped? Yes. Okay. Oh, a car. Does this still work? I mean, yeah, it's pretty fast, too. Alright, let's drive this over to the other side. Oh. I can't. That's gonna be tough. I have to find something on that side. Construction car that I can use for good speed. Car. Any cars? Car! This looks like a fast car, too. It is. Okay, this is a good car. Okay, don't crash! Okay, I crashed. Don't do it like this, I don't know if it's turn. So go ahead. Do a 3-point turn. Look at those driving settings. I don't know the controls to drive. I don't know how to drive. Alright, that's good. Okay. Now. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna plan out this master plan. We're gonna do it, and then we're gonna end the video. That's ready, break. That's the idea. It's fine. Why do I even care? I'm not even using that boat. Alright. So, let me get up here. Where's this thing? Is this not the building? It is the building. Where is it? It's right there. Okay. Okay. Here's the plan. We grab this, jump out the window, get into that boat, drive all the way across, grab that, jump out the window, get in the car, drive down, take a right, go this way, dump that car into the water, grab that car, dump that car into the water, and escape. Got it. Or not dump it into the water, dump it into the... drive it into the truck. Alright, ready in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I didn't quick save, so I gotta do this. Okay. Oh! Okay. This car is so hard to control. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're making great time. Whoa! Whoa! I hate this car. Get out! Oh! 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 That was nerve-wracking. Oh! Okay. Got there. We did it. Alrighty. I love this game so much. Continue. Alright. Well, I think that's going to be all for this video. Since when do I have a car? And since when do all these corners... You don't... If you know me, you don't put a wide open car just right by a house. Or else this is going to happen. Yeah! Through here, too. Oh, man, that didn't really work. Alright, well, I think that's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button. Like I've said in my past videos, I will be spending my own money to buy these games to make you happy and me happy. So if you could like the video, that would show that I'm making you happy, which would make me happy. How many times can you say happy in one sentence? I just said happy again. Wait. Okay, I need to... Okay. Well, yeah, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you like my videos in general, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Make sure you turn on notifications while you're there so that you know exactly when I upload my next video. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.